Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 speaker and I'm going to show how can you easily pair it with your iOS device. First you have to go into pairing mode so that you can pair. To go into pairing mode you just have to click this Bluetooth button over there. Now as you can see we are on pairing mode, so you have to scroll down to our control panel. Then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings and wait a moment. As you can see, Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. You just have to click on it. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.